Hey there, I just wanted to share another cookie recipe, and it is Christmas night, and of course I'm stuck at home again. So I got this beautiful stand-up blender. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like a rose gold, and it's by, let's see, aucma. Anyways, and I really wanted to try it out, and I really wanted to share something really fun. And what I want to share today is called double butterscotch cookies. Doesn't that sound delicious? And I gotta get my cookie recipes in before the year ends, because come January 1st, no one will be eating cookies. Everyone will be on their New Year's resolution. So let me move this out of the way. So 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So here you go. Here is my gold medal flour. 1 package of butterscotch pudding mix. So this is butterscotch pudding mix, and the size of this is 3.5 ounces. That's the standard size of this butterscotch, and it's one of the very few flavors that they have in pudding mix, so I was really interested in this. I made butterscotch pound cake before, and it tastes really good. So 1 package of that butterscotch pudding mix. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Here you go, baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Here is my house salt. 1/4 cup butter, room temperature. So here you go. Here is my 1/4 of butter, 1/4 cup of butter at room temperature. 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. So this is my C&H stock of C&H light brown sugar. So 2 tablespoons of this, okay? 1 large egg. Got it right here. And 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. So here is my vanilla extract. That is my house vanilla extract. All right, so that's all you need, and you'll see me mix it up in my blender here that I love so much. It's a beautiful color. It's like a rose gold. It has suction on the bottom, and then it has this blue light that turns it on and off. So it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6 speed. It has this little button here that you can go ahead and put on your little hook. So this is a dough hook, and then I have a whisk and another hook. So I really like this. Okay, so just getting used to using it. All right, so this is an off-brand. Of course, I can't afford the KitchenAid. That one's like $600. So I got this for Christmas, and this is what I really wanted. So not to worry, I'll probably do the exact same thing. So let's get to the recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up there, and I'm gonna start adding everything, okay? So 1 cup all-purpose flour. There you go, 1 cup all-purpose flour going right in. 1 package butterscotch pudding mix. 1 package butterscotch pudding going right in. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Here you go, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. All right. So baking powder is a white bottle, okay, not the orange one. I always get them mixed up. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup butter at room temperature. 1/4 cup butter at room temperature. 2 tablespoons light brown sugar. Oh boy. Oh my my gosh. Sugar after sugar. 2 tablespoons light brown sugar. 1 large egg. Okay, 1 large egg. Here we go. And 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. All right, our final ingredient here. All right, so that was 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 package butterscotch pudding mix, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons light brown sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract ready to get mixed up. So I have my other hooks here, and this is the first time I used it, friends. I just got this for Christmas today, okay? So here is 1 hook, here is a whisk, and it comes with instructions, and I didn't even bother to read them. I just put it all together. So the stand-up mixer, okay, so the components, so the number 6 is the dough hook, that's this one. Number 7 is called a beater, and then number 8 is called a whisk. Okay, so dough hook, beater, and whisk. All right. That is stand-up mixer 101, and then we're gonna go ahead and start mixing. Hopefully we get what we want out of it. Let's just get it started and see how it goes. Okay, ready? I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, we're gonna make it a little bit faster. That's too slow for me. I'll do it slowly. See if I could get it a little bit faster. Ooh. You can see the powder flying everywhere. Okay, so let's get you a close-up of what's going on here. Right there. Just mixing it around and mixing it around. Looks like it's about done here. So that was about, what, a minute or so? Yeah, that was about a minute. So I have a good mix of the dough here. Before I forget, a major part of what makes this a double butterscotch cookie is, of course, adding these butterscotch kisses to the top, and these are so delicious. I discovered them about 5 years ago at the grocery store, and I just love them. So I try to incorporate it in a lot of my cookies and cakes. It just gives it an extra kind of layer of delicious flavor. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So let me move this. So this is our batter. So it totally has the rich color of butterscotch, totally. So let me see if I could just mix it up a little bit more by hand. So the batter feels like a sugar cookie. It doesn't feel like a shortbread. It doesn't feel like a crinkle cookie. It feels like a sugar cookie. So let me bring it up to you. And there you go. There is the dough ball of butterscotch. All right. Don't let me forget to put on the butterscotch kisses on top, okay? All right. So I'm going to get my my pan here, and I'm gonna spray it down for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna get to rolling. Let's see how many we can get out of this. All right, so I'm predicting we could probably get maybe 12 cookies out of this. Okay, so on all my videos I kind of show you how to roll, and I'm sure people know how to roll. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down. Okay, make sure that they're spaced apart well. And they smell so good. So that's 4, 5. I don't think I'm gonna get 12 out of this. 6. 7, 8. I'm gonna get 10 cookies out of this. So definitely, if you're trying to make it for a party, you're gonna have to triple it up. You're gonna triple up your recipe, okay? Because you're only getting 10 out of this one. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do, because I didn't forget, is to go ahead and put the butterscotch kisses on top. This is a fairly easy bake cookie, meaning like you preheat your oven to 350 and you bake it 10 to 12 minutes, but of course every oven is different, so you have to keep checking, okay? So here is what the butterscotch looks like. Aren't they cute? So I'm just gonna go ahead and press them in to the layer here, or the top layer of the cookie. Okay, and the lucky people that get to taste this before the year ends. Okay, so they're looking pretty good. They're looking super orange, smelling really good. And they totally remind me of the texture of a sugar cookie. All right, so there you go. Here is our double butterscotch cookies ready to go in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. So I'll see you in about 10 to 12 minutes. Take care. So that was nice and easy. I went ahead and put the cookies in the oven at 350 for about 12 minutes. So I didn't go over 12, but please keep checking your cookies maybe after the 8th minute, because most ovens, you know, they're different. Everyone has a different kind of way that their oven cooks, but for my oven, it was at a preheated oven, 350 for about 12 minutes, and this is what I ended up with. And there you go. So I still got my 10 cookies here, so we originally counted 10 and I'm ending up with 10. No one came by to swipe a cookie and while I was cleaning up. But here are the double butterscotch cookies, and here we go. I'll just show you all of them for the fun of it. So here we go. It kind of looks like a carrot cookie, but it's not for sure. And the bottom is really nice. It's kind of a little bit stiff, but not super stiff. And the top is really nice and soft. And they were in the oven for only 12 minutes. So the tip of the butterscotch kiss did not melt down on this one. So that's really nice. Okay, so here is another one. Nice bottom. Here is a bigger one. The nice bottom. Let's see. This is a really pretty one. So the butterscotch tips didn't melt. So really, really close up. They stayed put. All right, that's a really, really pretty one. Okay, and then here is another pretty round one. So even though you saw me roll them into a ball, you know, when they cook, of course they're going to melt down and take on this shape because it's like a sugar cookie. And here is a look at a really nice round one. But anyways, that was a really one of the easier cookie recipes. So I'm trying to bust out all the cookie recipes before the new year, because once the new year hits, no one will want to be eating cookies. Everyone will be on their New Year's resolution of healthy and weight loss, including myself. So I just wanted to do these fun cookie recipes and make sure I get the best cookie recipes out there for that hard to find unique cookie recipe, because the next couple videos for the next I would say 6 months are going to be boring protein recipes or green stuff. So I guarantee that for sure. But anyways, here's that last cookie that I really, really liked how it turned out. It's pretty round, and the tips of the butterscotch are still intact. All right, so definitely try these out. Let me know how it goes for you. And for the recipe, just hit the little arrow beneath the video and I'll put the ingredients down in text underneath there. All right, take care. Bye-bye.